Shiksha bina chikitsa nahi. That means there can be no changes made in life without education. Health education becomes the most important part of nature cure movement. In medical science, you don't have to learn anything, just consume the pills that the doctors give you. Whereas in nature cure, you have to learn the principles of nature cure. Use of all the 5 elements of nature: ether, air, sunlight, water and earth. Whereas the first 4 elements are directly food, earth element is represented by the plants that grow on the earth and from the food that comes from the plant. So all these elements are used in nature cure, and we have to learn a lifestyle, make small transitions, small changes in life, and the changes should begin in the morning. And if you make the changes in the morning, it's easier to make changes in the rest of the day. So start the day with drinking herbal juice of bilva leaves, juice of durva grass, juice of white ash gold, pumpkin. So those things should be the beginning. And when you sip those juices, sip it slowly. Allow 2 hours for its digestion. Then have fruits. That way, if you change your lifestyle one by one, it's easier. If you have made the morning change, rest of the change becomes easy.